In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emoji in Todoist quickly and easily so you can make your tasks and projects more visual, more organized, and much easier to scan at a glance. Emojis are a simple but powerful way to add personality to your workflow, whether you want to label a task, make a project stand out, or just create a cleaner and more recognizable sidebar inside Todoist. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about adding emoji while typing a task title or task description. This is the fastest method if you just want to insert an emoji anywhere inside a task. On Windows, you can open the native emoji picker by pressing the Windows key and the period key, or by pressing the Windows key and the semicolon key. The emoji panel will appear right on your screen, and from there you can browse through emojis, search for the one you want, and click it to insert it into your text. This works great when you're creating a task title, adding a little visual marker to a description, or even separating sections in a long note. It's a very simple shortcut, but once you start using it, it becomes a huge time saver. Now let's move on to using emojis as icons for your custom projects in Todoist. This is one of the best ways to make your sidebar more scannable, especially if you have lots of projects and want to identify them faster without reading every single name. To do this, go to the left sidebar and hover over the project name you want to update. When the three dots icon appears, click it to open the Project Options menu. From there, select Edit Project. Once the edit window opens, click inside the project name field and place your cursor all the way at the very beginning of the name. This is important because the emoji should appear before the text so it acts like an icon for the project. With your cursor in place, open your emoji keyboard again using Windows key plus period or Windows key plus semicolon, then choose the emoji you want to use. You can pick something simple like a check mark or a folder, or something more specific that matches the project's purpose. After inserting the emoji, take a quick look at the project name to make sure it looks clean and easy to read. When everything looks good, click Save. And that's it, your Todoist project now has an emoji icon, making your workspace more visual and easier to navigate. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference if you use Todoist every day and want a more polished system. A few quick pro tips: use the same emoji style across related projects for consistency. Choose emojis that are easy to recognize at a glance, and keep task emojis simple so your titles don't get cluttered. If you want more productivity tutorials like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.